Hello guys, from the exposition show here in Râșnov city from Romania. Today I wanna film you this video with birds, rabbits, pigeons, different. So subscribe my channel, thumbs up, comments below. I will start with this birds. Hope to see good because it's not very good lights inside. We have here Cocking Kina, yellow rooster, 94 points. They have different birds. Here it's the not where is the champion, 94, very good bird. Here is my Centrum association. Also I have here inside 10 birds of chabo. I will show you. This is the champion, 95. It's not mine. It's not my bird, but it's very beautiful. Also, I want to show you these Romanian chickens, autochthon birds from Transylvania, with neck without fence. As you see, it's a very nice bird. These are small birds. Hey, not with your ass, please. Black Hamburg birds. Hamburg. This bird. Sussex. Also here is some silky. Yellow, black, white, silky, different. We have also these small birds here. And I want to show you this beautiful Phoenix, lemon Phoenix, champion, 96 points. This bird is very, very beautiful, this rooster. Very long tail, and also 95, this white bird also is very beautiful. Here we're in Romania. It's very popular to have birds, exotic birds, for beauty, for show, exposition. Also here we have some Wyandot birds, different colors, black, white, red, splash. No, here it's not splash. This is Appenzeller. This rooster have like horse. It's very, very funny, this guy. This is champion female, 95. Very nice bird. Very funny. Here are some rabbits. These are for sale. Very nice one. Zebrit. Different colors of zebrit. Also this zebrit, white pearl, gold. These are very funny. Californian. These are Rex rabbits, castor color. They have nice and soft. And here are my birds. I will show you. These are my birds. Personal, 92 this chicken, 94 points this rooster, yellow barred, this. Sorry for the lights because it's like this inside of Barat 91, 92. '94, the salmon rooster. Zero chicken. Hey, why it's this here? Okay, perfect. And here, this is my champion 95 rooster. This is my champion with 95, 93 and 93, the white ones. But it's very good bird. Also here we have some German butterfly rabbits. These names. Giant rabbit, German, 8.5 kilograms, 95.6 points, 96.5, sorry. And also here are all these rabbits are from Romania, and this is autochthon rabbits, official, and this is the national exposition for this rabbit, this kind of rabbit. They are here 71 different rabbit, and I will show you now the champion of the exposition, the male with 97 points. This one, this is a rabbit from one of my best friend here, and my friend was champion this year in Romania with this rabbit. This is the most beautiful rabbit on his type. 97, excellent point. Very beautiful rabbit. Yeah. This is Exposition Național from Club Uriaș de Transylvania. More rabbits here, and here are pigeon. I'll show you in the other video. I make another video with my pigeons from this exposition because I have two champions at two different type of pigeon. I have two champions. Also, these curly are mine. This is Paduana birds. Appenzeller, different variation of color. Also this, I love this pigeon, Gimpel, Arhangel. Very nice color. Look at this rooster, beautiful rooster. Yeah. So this rooster, black, full black. Romanian chicken. These birds are unique in the world because have like this. Outside now it's minus 10 degrees, but no problem for this bird. Very very good resistance at cold. Also here are some small rabbits. Very nice. Yeah, I show you very quickly this video because are around 400, more than 400 birds and rabbits inside this exposition, but I need more time to record the video. So these are in general the exponents from here. If you like my video, subscribe my channel please. Yeah, you see this guy say thumbs up, like, it's free to give me a like, give me a comment, and subscribe my channel because I will show you more videos every day, maybe every week. Ciao, have a good day.